Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. I'm so excited that you've clicked play and you want to see what I'm creating today. This is a little Ferrero Rocher box which fits perfectly inside. I'm using the silver and white 1/2 inch sheer ribbon, Lost Lagoon cardstock, and the wonderful Snowflake Magic 12x12 paper. You can find this on page 37. It's a specialty paper. It's one-sided. So pretty, and you know, you're using the tiniest piece for this project. And this video is super quick, so I hope that you've enjoyed that. It's nice and quick. So I'm going to cut my Lost Lagoon cardstock down to 4 1/8 by 4 1/8, and the DSP we're cutting down to 2 1/8 by 2 1/8. Now all the measurements you can find on the PDF, which is a free tutorial that you can download over my blog. There is a link to that blog post in the description of this video, so please go over and download that project sheet. Every day I will have a free download for you. Okay, so with this, with our DSP, I have scored on all 4 sides at 3/8 of an inch. With our Lost Lagoon cardstock, I am scoring at 1 3/8 on all 4 sides. Now this is a simple box. It's going to come together really quick, so I've got to be careful and quick in what I'm saying. So we're going to score, we've scored it, we're going to fold it and burnish it. I am burnishing the cardstock with my bone folder, but with my DSP, because this is specialty paper, I'm just using my fingers. We don't need to do the bone folder on that. So we're going to cut up on each of those 4 score lines, and I'm going to miter cut in on that center score line, so that cut mark. With our Lost Lagoon, again, we're going to cut up to each of those score lines. Our 4 tabs, which are our 4 end pieces, we're actually going to cut in half, the tab in half, and then we're going to miter cut on both sides. And this will help the box go together. There is lots of bulk, as you can see, if you leave all 4 sides just the way it is. So we're going to cut that down just a fraction by doing this. Now, if you're in need of any of the supplies that I'm using on today's card, I would love it if you purchase them in my online store. I have links to all the products that I've used in this project. I have wonderful specials for my customers. I have a handmade card each month, or a project, and also a bundle tutorial. Now there's 52 tutorials in November's bundle, and I would love to send it to you. So all you need to do is pop an order in my online store using this month's hostess code, which is also in the description of this video, and I will send you those free gifts just for shopping with me. So I've just added tear and tape to each of those 4 tabs, and the box goes together really simply. For our designer series paper lid, because there's only a really tiny little tab, and this is specialty paper, what I've used is mini glue dots, because they work super well on specialty paper, and it's just such a small little area to be putting the lid together. So using the mini glue dots works really well. Once we have the box together, you can pop your Ferrero Rocher inside, and then we're going to use that silver and white 1/2 inch sheer ribbon just to go around the box, and I'm just tying it in a knot at the front. And that's the project for today. So I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video, tell your friends, purchase in my online store if you're interested. I really hope that you're enjoying the 12 days of Christmas. I've got some great projects coming out later in the week and throughout the coming 12 days. So I hope that you'll come back every day. The videos go live 9 AM Australian Eastern Daylight Saving Time. So yeah, please come back and check out each day. Alright, there's day 5, a little Snowflake Magic little treat box, which is perfect. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.